Wood crusher is a common wood processing machine for crushing logs and branches into sawdust. Its main parts include frame, inclined inlet and outlet, belt pulley, cut plate, hammer, sieve, and motor. Especially the power system can be motor as well as a diesel engine. For easy moving, the wood crusher can also be designed with wheels. After putting branches into the inlet, the crusher will crush these materials very quickly. The wood crusher can be different models and also with different working capacities. After crushing, the sawdust can be widely used for making paper, particle board, and biomass rods. Usually, the wood crusher can be used in the charcoal production line for making papermaking. Welcome to subscribe my YouTube channel to see more videos for charcoal machines.